Today in this tutorial, we will show you everything that has to do with the Healthwell Safe app. Once you have the app downloaded, you'll see this screen. You have Sign In and New Patient. I will show you how to register as a new patient. Once you tap New Patient, you have two options: create an individual account, or if you're a current RPM or CCM patient with a provider that we are partnered with. Today, we are going to create an individual account. First, you will enter your account information. So you want to enter your first name, your last name, gender, date of birth, your email address, and phone number. After that, you're going to create your username and password. Your password has to have 8 or more characters, at least one lowercase letter, at least one number, at least one capital letter, and at least one special character. After you choose your username and password, you're going to choose a security question. We like to ask this question and get your answer so that we can help you recover your account if you can't remember your username or password. At the bottom, you will have to check the box "I agree to the terms of services and privacy policy." You can click both of these links to read through these documents. After you tap Create an Account, you will come to this Consents page. In order to use our Healthwell Safe app, you will have to consent to our services, and you can read through them here on this screen. Once you carefully read this document, you can sign the box and click Save. It'll take you back to this consent form and you can tap Continue. If you have Medicare as your insurance, we offer this option to import your Medicare data into Healthwell Safe. If you do not have Medicare or you do not want to import your data, you can tap Skip Import for now. And this will take you right into the home page of your Healthwell Safe app. At the top here, you have your vital readings in blue. These are your most recent vital readings that you have in the Healthwell Safe app. Under that, you have the My Health Records button in green. Here is where you can see all the tabs that your health record is kept in. These are all the categories that you can add any health records that you want into. If you tap Health Data at the top of the screen, here you see those same vital readings. These are your most recent vital readings. You also can see graphs of your past vital readings if you keep scrolling down. Here we see a blood sugar graph. To get back to the health records screen, you can go in the bottom navigation bar and see health records. Under health data, we have devices. Here you can see any devices that are already connected with your Healthwell Safe account. To add devices, tap Other Devices, and these are all the devices that we are compatible with. We support Apple and Google HealthKit. We also support cloud devices like Fitbit. To connect any cloud devices, you would just tap Connect, and it will take you to that website where you can enter your email and password to log in. After you log in, you would be able to connect your data with the Healthwell Safe app. I will show you how you can manually add any health record data in your health record. I'm going to tap Allergies, tap the plus, and then you can type your allergy. You can enter a reaction and onset date. Tap Save and you'll see it appear in your Allergies tab of your health records. If you want to see all the health data that is in your health records, you can tap this Summary button at the top left of the screen. This will show you any data that you have in your health record. If you want to see an exportable view of this data, you can tap the Share button in the top left of the screen. This will produce a health summary in your Documents tab. With this document, you can save it to your phone. You can also share it via text message and email. Because this is a health record, it is a secure document, so you might not want to share it through text message or email. You can also print it if you have a printer connected to your phone and take it in person to the doctor's office. Under the Health Records button on the home screen, you have Health Survey. This is where you can answer questions about your health daily. All of this data is recorded and put into your health record. That's just a quick way for you to be able to add data daily. Another way you can add data, tapping the Activity button in the navigation bar. Here you will see a timeline of all the data you've entered for the day. To add, you can tap Add Activity. You can add any of this data. I'm going to add my heart rate as 94, and you can see it appears on your timeline. It will also appear as a vital reading on the home screen. The third green button on the home screen is My Medications. Here's where you can see all your medications that you need to take for the day. I'm going to add a medication by tapping the top right button. Here you can type a medication that you want. You can add the strength, and the form, and the route. Here's where you can put in if it's a prescription, you can enter the directions. So take 1 daily. Here's your medication groups. So this is where you can add if you take multiple medications in the morning or multiple medications at night, you can assign them a time group. So this makes it easier for you to mark them as taken. Instead of having to individually mark every medication as taken, you can mark them in a group. So I'm going to say this is a night medication. You can also add reminders, additional notes, and a prescribing doctor. So here is the medication group that I was talking about. This is all my night medication. Instead of individually having to tap taken for each one of these medications, I'm going to tap mark all night medications as taken. This will mark the whole group as taken, and it's easier for me to record that I took them. You also have a calendar feature at the top left of this screen. This will show you any medications that you missed throughout the month. It can also show you any medications that you have left to take for the day, but I have marked all my medications as taken on this account. So that's why you're not seeing any data. At the bottom of the home screen, you have My Goals. Here you can add a goal, or you can tap View More. This will take you to your My Goals page. Here's all your goals that you have to complete for the day. To add a goal, tap this top right button. Here you can choose from our list of goals that we have preset in the app. If you don't want any of these goals, you can also tap Add Custom Goal at the top right of the screen. Here you can type anything you want. So I'm going to say I want to do yoga today. I'm going to tap an icon that I want this to show as, and then I'm going to scroll down and tap Add New. Here you can see yoga is added to my goals for the day. If I want to mark a goal as completed, I tap Mark as Done. There, it marked my goal as done. You can also see completed goals in the top left of this screen. Here's a list of your completed goals and the date that you completed them. The last but not least, most important feature is the Care Team. At the bottom right of your screen in the navigation bar, you can access your care team. This is a contact list of any providers or personnel that are involved in your health. You can add physicians, pharmacies, anyone you want to add to your care team. Tap this top right plus button, add physician. Here you can add a specialist name. I'm going to add a cardiologist. You can type the doctor's name and the practice name. Here's where you can enter the office phone number. Once you add the phone number, you can now call your doctor straight from the app. Tapping this call icon will call the doctor's office, and you can contact them with any of your needs. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can also add any family members or friends to your care team. Keep in mind this won't share any health data with them. It will just add them to your contact list that you can call them later. Keep in mind you can also edit and delete any people from your care team list. On the top left of the screen, we have this side menu. Here it just shows you some shortcuts of things that I've already showed you in this video. We also have settings under that where you can update your password, add reminders, or provide us feedback. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please call us at 1-877-581-8810.